In this video, I'll show you how to customize the shortcuts in AutoCAD to allow you to be more efficient in the software and do things the way you like. And not only that, I will also show you the one command I think everyone should change in their AutoCAD software and switch to a different shortcut essentially, right? Now in this tutorial I'm using AutoCAD for Mac. So for Windows users, you should still be able to follow along. It's just the interface is different, but the concept is the same. Okay, so here we go. For those of you who didn't know, AutoCAD actually has shortcuts. What does that mean? So let's say you want to use the line command. So instead of finding the command over here on the interface and choosing it, you can actually type line on the keyboard immediately, and you will see it will pop up, and you can actually select the command and you can start drawing a line immediately. Okay. Another shortcut for the same command is you can actually just type the letter L, and that will also start the line command. So if we type that, and here we go, I'll start the command. As simple as that. Now, how do we customize the shortcuts? So what you can do is to actually go to Tools on the top, and then you go to Customize, and then here you can find Edit Command Aliases window. When you click it, we will get this window that will open in a second, and here we go. This is how you can change it. Now if you want to do this differently, you can also type alias edit on the keyboard, or I guess just alias, and that will show you it. You hit the return button or enter or space, and that will open the command. Okay, so now from here, so what is the one command that I recommend we change? It's the dimension command to allow us to do the dimension. So I'll show you which one exactly I'm talking about. So instead of using, so this one, dimension linear, this is the dimension command I like to use the most. So if I type D, that will open the dimension style. So I want the letter D to be customized to show me the dimension command. So we're gonna go to alias edit, and then here we're gonna find, so what we're gonna do is hit the plus sign to add a new alias. So we're gonna find the command first, and in this case it's dimension linear. That's what the command is called. Then I'm gonna type the letter D, and I'm gonna click add, but as you can see, AutoCAD is showing us a warning, and it's saying like, hey, alias is assigned to dim style. By the way, alias in this case stands for the shortcut, just in case I didn't mention that. So it's saying like the letter D is used for a different command. So what we need to do is to actually take it out from the other command and then assign it to the dimension command. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go to, we can actually search it here, dimension style, and as you can see here, it has all these different aliases or shortcuts. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit the, so I select it, and then I'm gonna hit the minus button, boom, and now I'm gonna hit the plus sign again, and I'm gonna find dimension linear and D, and we hit add, and we're gonna hit apply. Okay, and now we should be able to use it. So now when I type D, now it will start the dimension command. Now, as you can see, this is like really hard to see. So in case the dimension is not showing up right, you can actually, I'm just gonna use something here to illustrate it. I'm just gonna copy this file. I'll give you this file so you can download it. This will give you like the dimension style so they look proper. So what happened when I copied this is that it copied the styles to this drawing, and now from the dimension style on the properties window on the right side, I'm just going to switch to 48, which is a good size to show for this floor plan. Now when I type D, you should be able to see it properly, and here we go. This is 31 feet, and boom. Alright, this is coming out clean. Okay, so I'll leave you the download link for this file in the description, and also I made a tutorial that shows you how I drew exactly this floor plan, and I'll leave that link in the top. And if you like this video, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.